Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be making a quick, tasty dish that's great for a weeknight meal. This is my beef lo mein. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using today. I have my marinated beef, some lo mein noodles, sweet peppers, mushrooms, onions, carrots, green onions, minced garlic, and some minced ginger. Now for the sauce, I have some oyster sauce, soy sauce, a bit of hoisin sauce, and some sesame oil. And as always, I'll leave all my measurements in the description box below. I'll start by marinating the beef. I'll be using thinly sliced inside round steak, and I'll cut it up into small pieces. Now you want to make sure that the beef is cut thin so that it cooks evenly. And for the marinade, I'll be using sesame oil, salt, black pepper, some Chinese 5-spice, soy sauce, and some baking soda. And the baking soda will help to tenderize the beef. Now I'll give this a good mix, making sure that each piece is coated in the marinade really well. And then I'll let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'll prep my vegetables and I'll bring a pot of water to boil to cook my noodles. These will only take about 5 minutes. Now you want to cook the noodles until they just begin to get tender, and you don't want to overcook them. So just make sure to follow the directions on the package, as cooking times vary between brands. And once the noodles are cooked, I'll drain and rinse them with some cold water, and I'll set that aside as well. And with my wok, I'll turn the heat to high, and I'll wait till the wok is nice and hot, and I should see the wok begin to smoke a little bit to know that it's ready. And then I'll add in my cooking oil and wait for that to smoke a bit as well, and then add my beef. Now I'll cook this for about 2 minutes, and I'll just keep stirring consistently. Now you want to make sure that you don't overcook the beef, as it will become hard. So as soon as all the beef has browned, you'll want to remove it from the pan. And I'll just remove a little bit of the oil, and then I'll add in my onions and stir this up for about 30 seconds. And then I'll add my carrots and green and red peppers. I'll let this cook for about a minute, and then add the mushrooms and cook this for about another minute. Next, I'll add my garlic and ginger, and I'll give this a stir. Now I'm just going to add a bit of my sauce mixture to the veggies. Now I just combined everything into one bowl just to make it a bit easier for me. And I'm just going to stir to coat the vegetables, and then I'll add the beef back into the wok. I'll add my noodles and the remaining sauce, and then I'll turn the heat off, and I'll keep mixing until the sauce has coated all the noodles. Then I'll top this off with some green onions, toss that around, and that's it. Beef lo mein. I hope you enjoyed today's dish. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching.